Do you constantly forget to water your plants? Or maybe you live in an area with scorching heat and limited rainfall. Either way, drought-tolerant plants are your best friends. They're tough, resilient, and can thrive with minimal watering. Today, we'll explore 40 of the best drought-tolerant plants that not only survive, but thrive in dry conditions. Let's get started. Kangaroo paw. This Australian native survives dry spells with ease and produces unique, fuzzy flowers. Desert rose. Desert rose is a stunning succulent with thick, water-storing stems and vibrant flowers. They're perfect for hot climates and only need watering every 10 to 12 days. Jade plant. Jade plants are known for their plump, shiny leaves that retain moisture well. They're low maintenance and bring a touch of good luck to your space. Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is a showstopper with its bright, papery flowers. This tough shrub can go up to 3 to 4 weeks without watering once established. Moss rose. Moss rose thrive in poor soils and need only occasional watering. Their cheerful flowers add a pop of color to any garden. Oleander. Oleanders are dense, bushy shrubs that can survive on little water. They are popular as border plants and produce vibrant flowers. Agave. Agave succulents are the ultimate survivors, with thick, fleshy leaves designed to store water for extended periods. These hardy plants thrive in hot, arid climates and add a dramatic architectural flair to your garden. Lithops. Lithops look just like small stones, allowing them to blend perfectly into rock gardens. These little wonders store water in their thick leaves and could go for weeks without a drop. Sedum. Sedums are incredibly resilient and can tolerate dry spells without much fuss. They love full sun and only need watering every 8 to 10 days, making them perfect for busy gardeners. Cacti. Cacti are the poster plants for drought tolerance, thanks to their modified spines that reduce water loss. Whether in pots or gardens, they're practically indestructible. Blanket flower. Blanket flowers bring bright daisy-like blooms and can handle dry conditions with ease. They're also a magnet for butterflies. Verbena. Verbena is a ground cover that loves full sun and dry spells. Once established, it needs watering every 8 to 10 days and produces colorful clusters of flowers. Lantana. Lantana is a heat and drought champion that flowers profusely even when neglected. It's best grown in containers to manage its invasive nature. Wallflowers. Wallflowers are perennial bloomers that thrive on minimal watering once mature. Their fragrant blooms make them popular in cottage gardens. Rock soapwort. Rock soapwort blankets the ground with pink flowers, needing minimal watering and thriving in rocky soils. Sage. Sage is a hardy herb that thrives in well-drained soils and dry conditions. Its aromatic leaves are perfect for culinary use. Poppy. Poppies are sun-loving, drought-tolerant beauties that add a splash of color to gardens. They thrive with minimal care. Lavender cotton. With silvery foliage and bright yellow flowers, lavender cotton is perfect for dry, sunny spots and only needs watering every 10 days. Lavender. Lavender not only smells divine, but is also incredibly drought tolerant. It's a must-have for gardens that struggle with dry spells. Rock daisy. Rock daisies thrive on neglect and are perfect for rock gardens. They tolerate heat and drought with ease. Globe thistle. Globe thistle's spiky spherical blooms are drought-resistant and attract pollinators. Once established, they need minimal watering. Rose campion. Rose campion has vibrant magenta flowers and silvery foliage. It withstands dry conditions and thrives in hot, sunny spots. Red valerian. Red valerian's dense clusters of flowers bloom continuously with little water, making it ideal for exterscaping. Crown of thorns. This flowering succulent is virtually carefree, blooming almost year-round while thriving on minimal moisture. Russian sage. Russian sage's airy lavender blue flowers thrive in drought and heat, creating a beautiful carefree garden display. Yarrow. Yarrow's feathery foliage and colorful blooms are practically maintenance-free, needing just occasional watering. Pine leaf penstemon. This vibrant perennial draws hummingbirds and withstands dry conditions with its resilient nature. Giant hyssop. Giant hyssop's fragrant flowers attract bees and butterflies while tolerating drought once established. Beard tongue. These tubular-flowered perennials are perfect for dry landscapes and require little attention after planting. Coneflower. Coneflowers are tough perennials that bloom abundantly even in drought. They add a pop of color to any garden. California poppy. This iconic wildflower thrives in full sun and dry soil, creating a carpet of orange and gold blooms. Purple fountain grass. Purple fountain grass adds dramatic texture and color to landscapes while needing very little water. New Zealand tea tree. With pink, white, or red flowers, this drought-tolerant shrub thrives in sandy soils and full sun. Twinberry honeysuckle. Its orange-red blooms and drought resistance make it a great addition to low-water gardens. Pride of Madeira. Pride of Madeira produces towering flower spikes that thrive with minimal watering. Trumpet vine. This fast-growing vine can handle drought while producing trumpet-shaped flowers that attract hummingbirds. Catmint. Catmint's fragrant blooms thrive even in dry soils, attracting bees and butterflies. Artemisia. With silvery foliage and low water needs, Artemisia is a striking addition to any dry garden. Licorice plant. This ornamental ground cover adds texture with its fuzzy silver leaves and can handle extended dry periods. Aloe. Aloe's thick fleshy leaves store moisture, allowing it to survive long dry spells effortlessly. There you have it, 40 incredible drought-tolerant plants that make gardening in dry climates a breeze. If you enjoyed this list and want more gardening tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more plant inspiration.